I didn't see it before, but I see it clearly now. Patrice Motsepe will be the president of the ANC and in turn will be the president of the Republic of South Africa. It's clear now because there's a new poll from the Social Research Foundation that suggests that Motsepe is on the forefront as the favorite to be the new president and the successor of Cyril Ramaphosa. So, as I asked, there was a question that I asked a couple of weeks ago when Patrice Motsepe went to his, the national prayer at FNB with Zion Christian Church, the ZCC. So I asked the question whether who's more powerful between Motsepe, Lekganyane, and Cyril Ramaphosa. And that question should have highlighted to everyone that since these three people are amongst the most powerful, I mean, do you think Fikile Mbalula is as powerful as Patrice Motsepe? No, of course not. Even the other guy, Paul Mashatile, is not as powerful as Patrice Motsepe. And also, the news has been inceptioning us. If you know the movie Inception, so basically they've been planting this idea for like years. Like I think it's been like 3 years or 4 years. There was a headline every now and then, Motsepe to be the new president of South Africa. Motsepe, the new president. And I was like, no, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Kanti, propaganda, inception, psychological operation. Like, yo. So at the end it worked because now, like the research, the polls, everyone agrees now that Motsepe is the rightful candidate, the true successor to Cyril Ramaphosa. Because now, the reason for this, as in the reason Motsepe is the perfect candidate, is not because we will vote or people within the ANC or all of the things that I spoke about. Those are just layers. But the elites, the higher ups, actually want Motsepe to be the new president because with Cyril Ramaphosa, they thought they were getting like a very good businessman, but he's not very good. He's just okay. But Motsepe is tried and tested now. He is a true businessman, and at the moment, they want a true capitalist to be the new president of South Africa because that will be easy to facilitate business. Because Motsepe, he will be looking at numbers, not us, the numbers. What makes sense for South Africa as a whole, not individuals, societies, people in shacks and things like that. He will be looking at the overall import, exports, geopolitics, macroeconomics, basically, not microeconomics, macro, the overall